Well, hello there, guys. The pan's here from This, That and the Other. Probably number 3. I hope you guys aren't getting too bored, but you know, for you in England, this is what happened in Virginia. And this is the tree that's come down. I don't know if I can get quite up there. It's a pine tree, and it's just broken, and it's all on our side. But the actual tree is on the neighbour's side, so we're going to have a chat with them. Clear this up, and what's remaining there, you can see that trunk is going to have to come down, guys. And then we have this stew, which is also on their side, that's come on to our side. That I don't think these trees are going to recover whatsoever. And we got another piece of wood there from a tree that's ours that got pruned by I think it was Vida or someone, but a big branch came down. So I'm going to pan around. It still looks absolutely winter wonderland to any of you who love winter wonderland, but I can definitely tell you, walking through 8 to 10 inches of snow is very hard work, which is why I'm huffing and puffing. And I'm going to pan down here in the back. We have another tree that's come down. So there's going to be a hell of a lot of chainsawing. We are still without power. So anybody who believes on getting rid of fossil fuels, get lost, as far as I'm concerned. Hang on, I have a very excited puppy. Puppy. So, anyways, I'm not going to do, I'll do one more tonight. Oh my God, I just missed that to video it, but we had a load of ice and snow fall off the lines. And actually the saggy one is not sagging anymore. So, I'll do one more tonight when I get a fire going. And yeah, this is live in Virginia, and we're going back to being like the pilgrims around here. And I don't know, if we don't get power, I don't know what I'm going to eat tonight. See if I can, it's not snowing, so maybe get a camping stove out and heat up a can of soup. But there's a lot of people out there that don't realize what it's all about, and you guys are a little bit on the spoiled side. But that's okay, we still love you. All right, bye.